This is another question that we get a lot of is, what is the estimated installation time for adding ELS to my CentOS 7 server?
About 2 minutes. If you're utilizing our public repository, it's a commercial public repository, so you need authentication. So you can acquire a license key from us. You download the installer, run the installer with the license key. What that is going to do is it's going to add in our repository to your Yum configuration. This gives you, and it's going to create the authentication keys, giving you access. When you run Yum, it's going to be status quo, the same way you're running it today. So any of your automation tools, if you're using Ansible, Puppet, Chef, if you're utilizing Foreman or Satellite or any other tools, if your servers have direct access to the internet to reach our repository directly, you can easily utilize an automation script to run the installation against each of the server, and then you're finished. So it could literally be done in less than 2 minutes.
And I also want to say that on our website, you can actually go and purchase the licenses for CentOS 7 directly from our website without having to talk to anyone. Just in case you need a test license or you have a couple servers, you can actually do that from our website as well.